the EasyFit INDUS system just got even easier. A new steel cable with additional 2 cores is now included in each kit, which helps reduce fitting time. One end is pre-assembled with connectors for the travelling coil SPK54. An extra pair of waterproof connectors is included at the tensioner to connect the rear travelling safety edge. This allows safety edges at each end of the gate to be connected to the travelling coil easily, without the need to run a long connecting cable through or along the gate. This new cable design is included as part of the kit at no extra cost. Here is our guide to properly fitting the new system. First, begin by drilling and tapping an M4 hole for the SPK54. Also drill and tap an M6 hole for the tension unit. Be sure to grind down any thick paint or coating from the contact surface to ensure proper fitting. Screw in the provided Allen head bolt, do not over-tighten. Separate the extra 2-core wire from the main cable, then place the transmission cable in the slot gap. If the opening safety edge is fitted, plug the cable cores into the plug terminals marked O. Then clamp the core cable using the supplied grub screw. Only clamp the steel cable. Pull the cables through the protective rubber cover to protect the cables from water ingress. Use the supplied cover to protect the rest of the components against water ingress. Secure the SPK coil bracket appropriately. Pass the cable through the stationary SPK coil. Adjust for height and tighten the bolts. Ensure the cable can run smoothly through the coil without snagging. Adjust for position and depth and secure to the ground or fixing point. Fix the tension bracket with an M6 or similar bolt. Fit the clamping unit into the tension bracket. Pull the cable through the tension bracket and clamp. Connect the moving open direction safety edge, if fitted, to the supplied waterproof connectors. The cable should not be loose. Clamp down the Allen head screw and do not over-tighten. Trim away any excess steel cable. Adjust the clamp unit appropriately to tension the transmission wire. Do not over-tighten the wire. Tighten the clamp unit to hold everything in place. Use the supplied cover to protect the components against water ingress. To stay up to date with the latest in gate automation and safety, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, or follow us on Twitter.